Saya Ilda Sulpianingsih, Semester 1 of Study Program Islamic Economic Law at Stand Academy Meulaboh. There I will explain on problems that exist in the city of Meulaboh with its very rampant air pollution in our city. I will display following video. Pollution or air pollution is the presence of one or more physical, chemical, or biological substances in the atmosphere in amount that can injure the health of humans, animals, and plants so as to make comfort. Like what happened in Meulaboh, the smoke from the landfills on street Meulaboh on 22 July 2017 ago. The smoke surrounded the street of the Swakni area and Swakraya, Johan Pahlawan. Besides surrounding the smoke sentiment that also enveloped the ocean air of Meulaboh.